Is kneeling necessary when giving a promise ring?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of promise rings and answer a question we get quite a lot. Is kneeling necessary when giving a promise ring? Promise rings are a wonderful tradition and come with their own unique etiquette. Let's dive right in.
What is a promise ring?
Firstly, it's important to understand what a promise ring is. A promise ring is a piece of jewelry that symbolizes a pledge or commitment, usually given from one person to another. This commitment can be anything from a pledge of love, to a promise to stay faithful, or a sign of a future engagement. It's a versatile symbol that can mean different things to different people, so it's vital to consider the personal context when giving or receiving a promise ring.
Traditional etiquette of giving a promise ring.
When it comes to the traditional etiquette of giving a promise ring, it varies widely. It's not as formal as an engagement ring exchange, where the tradition of kneeling is more prevalent. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to giving a promise ring because the meaning of the ring can be so diverse. Therefore, the method of giving a promise ring often aligns more with the personal preference of the giver and the receiver.
Should you kneel when giving a promise ring?
Now, on to the main question. Should you kneel when giving a promise ring? While it's not necessary or required, some people do choose to kneel when giving a promise ring, particularly if it is a prelude to an eventual marriage proposal. It can add a level of romance and seriousness to the gesture. However, it's certainly not a hard and fast rule. The key is to make the moment feel special and sincere, no matter the physical stance. You could be standing, sitting, or even doing something more unique like hiking up to a beautiful view or dining at a favorite restaurant. The most important thing is the promise itself and the feelings behind it. In conclusion, whether you decide to kneel or not when giving a promise ring entirely depends on your personal preferences and the context of the promise. There's no right or wrong way to do it. So, listen to your heart, consider your partner's preferences, and remember that it's the sentiment behind the ring that truly matters. Make the moment as unique and special as the promise you're making. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your question and wish you the best of luck in your promise ring journey. Until next time, take care.